Hi guys, so I wanted to do this video for a while, but to be honest I kept forgetting about it, but I saw a post on Facebook the other day and it's reminded me to do this video. So the post is essentially about this guy. He was running Facebook ads and they were basically failing. He wasn't getting any results whatsoever. He's running a lead generation campaign for a local roofing company, so like a local tiling company. So I took a look at the ad copy, the ad creative, the ad targeting, all that basic stuff, all the good stuff, and essentially I stripped it back further than that. So I actually looked if Facebook advertising is actually right for them. So not all companies need Facebook advertising. So in this instance, the roofing company, how many people go to Facebook to look for roofing services? But if you're looking for roofing services, you're going to go to Google to search it. So you're probably going to type in roofing services Manchester, roofing services Liverpool, that kind of thing. So once you've got, once you're looking for a solution, you're going to type it into Google. Now, people on Facebook, when they're seeing ads, they don't necessarily have the need for that solution. So in effect, you could be wasting quite a lot of money. Whereas if you're driving traffic to your website through search marketing, then you've already got warm traffic coming to your website. Whereas if you've got a cold audience seeing advertisements on Facebook, you could be wasting a bit of money online. Now, don't get me wrong, the Facebook targeting is very powerful on the platform, so targeting on Facebook and Instagram. But also at the same time, once you've built the persona, your persona may not be in the space to buy from you. That's why it's important to have a search strategy in place. Now, that's not to say to completely not use Facebook ads in your strategy, because I truly believe you should at some point, but only when it's worthwhile. So once you're driving organic or paid traffic to your website, you should make the most of that, because you've worked so hard to acquire that traffic to your website. So if you, especially if you're doing PPC, so you may be paying £1 or £2 per click. If you've spent money on SEO, you've spent money to get that traffic to your website. So you want to install a Facebook pixel on your website, and then you want to be able to retarget web traffic on Facebook. So with the warm traffic, if you can retarget them onto Facebook, you know that they're still in the space to buy. So you want to keep your brand in their mind. So ideally, you want around 7 touch points before someone becomes a customer. So I definitely run some sort of campaign that's either a lead forms campaign or a send message campaign. That's probably what I'd recommend. Now, the reason in general why some companies fail at this, so either a marketing agency or an in-house team, is because they fail to understand the actual solution that needs to be done. So, for example, when customers come to us, when clients come to us, they're asking for a specific service. That is sometimes what they want, and it's not necessarily what they need. So when companies come to us, they say, we're here, we're making X amount of money, and we want to get to Y amount of money by in 6 months' time or whatever. And it's our job, and from our experience, we can say that it's going to take this, this, and this to get there. So we reverse engineer the results. And that may be taking a Facebook campaign and turn it into an SEO campaign, or vice versa. So it's just about knowing what's right for the client. Rather than selling a service, we always try and sell solutions. So yeah, if you're looking to hire an agency, all agencies, when you're talking to them, they should be telling you about the right solution for you, not just taking money from you. So yeah, just a quick video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've taken some value from it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've got any questions or anything, then feel free to ask. So yeah, thanks very much for watching.